These Y strap adjustments are everywhere. You see them. They put them around someone's head. It's usually a black strap. The chiropractor stands behind and pulls really hard. Patient jumps off the table, moves, they move backward. That is not the proper type of force that I would want to apply to one of my patients. First of all, I don't like it because it's not very specific. We don't know which segment we're pulling on. We're pulling on everything at once. We don't really know which one adjusts, and we don't really know if we even got the targeted one adjusted that we wanted, so I'm not a big fan.